Hello, it's me. I've been missing for a while. Well, not really, but anyways, I done a thing. I subscribed back to Ipsy, the Ipsy or Boxy Charm by Ipsy. So this month was or is the icon box, so I upgraded to that. And here she is. Cut it open. Open it up and show you what she looks like. Nice. Got a little cover. It's got some foam in it. Got a little pamphlet here, big one actually. It's a Ipsy icon box by collaborated with Aaron Foster and Sarah Foster. I don't know who they are. And it says Spilling the Beauty. Has things in here that could possibly be in my box. Okay. Let's see here. I can't find that in here. It doesn't have this in here, but it's called Joy, I believe. And it is made from 100% of post-consumer recycled material, this box. It's a leave-in soothing scalp serum. Give this a try. I wonder why it's not in this brochure. It's just not. Okay, well, that's that on there. How about another? I have a Kosas blush. Butterflies Cool Baby Pink. her up. Need to get the little trusty box knife out. Maybe I ought to just leave that out. See, open her up and see what she looks like. Oh, wow. It's very pink. Oh, man. Yes, very pink. Very pink. I'm not sure I'd wear that. Not sure at all. That's very vibrant pink. Let's see if that was in this paper and see if it says anything about that. Yes, it does. Kosas blush is life baked talc free dimensional plus brightening blush, $29. This cool toned pink blush hydrates, brightens, and blends like a dream. No wonder it's Erin's fave. Okay. Now let's get the next thing. Take that one out, and then take that one out. And then I have a Patrick Ta light medium. It is a it's a foundation. I think it might be too dark for me. This is what she looks like. I can get it opened. Yeah, I do believe it's going to be too dark for me. It's a cream and powder. Yeah, definitely too dark for me. That will be going into a giveaway. Or I can put it on my Poshmark or my Macari. So probably put it in my Macari. I haven't got anything listed yet, but I will have some things listed. Let's see what it says about that, if it's in here. Okay, Patrick Ta Beauty Major Skin Cream Foundation and Finishing Powder, $52. Oh, there's the Joy. That Joy stuff is Soothing Scalp Serum, which is $48. Okay. Well, it looked like you could get a Natasha Denona palette, but I did not. So and then I have, oh, I've got one of these already. It's a Elemis Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. I think I got the one I got from Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what they say in here about this. It just says Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream by Elemis, $50 value. Sweet. And I have a lip oil here by Rhode Isle. Let's see if it's in here. Probably is. Yes, Rhode Isle. It's a Rhode Isle Pumping Collagen Lip Oil. It's collagen and botanical oils, hydrate and smooth, and enhance lips with a sheer pink glow. Huh. Nice. Very nice. How much was it? $38. See, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got a Rare Beauty. Goodness. Right here, it's All Above Weightless Eyeshadow by Rare Beauty. And that is what she looks like. It's a nice shade. I haven't used any shadow sticks before. This will be the first time that I will try it. And it says, eyeshadow that vanishes by noon. Long wear that actually stays put. Rare Beauty All Above the Weightless Eyeshadow Stick in Integrity is $22. Got 2 more items in here. I have Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollutant Sunshine Drops. Right there. Haven't had anything by Drunk Elephant ever. This is kind of exciting. I hope this isn't very dark. Well, maybe I better shake that up. There's that. Just a little drop. No. Ooh. Little bronzy. It's a lot bronzy. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what it says about that. Okay, Drunk Elephant bronzing drops with peptides, $39. Peptides and antioxidants work together to give skin an instant lit from within glow that Sarah loves. And it's $39. Okay, and last but not least, this box, and just throw it over there. Origins Youthopia. Let's check her out in here. Okay. Origins Youthopia. Plumping apple cream. Wonder if it smells like apples. $54 for that. Open her up and see if she smells like apples. See, my sniffer's going good. Kind of smells citrusy, actually. There's what she looks like. Soaks right on in. Probably won't plump up my skin, but I don't smell apple, but kind of smells like, to me, like a citrus. It just don't smell like apple at all. So, this was a nice box. It would have been better if I'd have got that Natasha Denona palette, but I didn't. So I've seen everybody else. Well, I ain't seen them all, but I've seen quite a few that did get it, which was the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. I wanted that so bad. But, oh well. So, well, there's that. That is my icon box for May. And I'm not sure if I will get the next one, which is in August. I don't know if I will get that one. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for... Oh, I wanted to show off this shirt that I won by Brutally Honest Beauty. It is some of her merch. It says, "Be your own best beautiful," and I just love this shirt. But yeah, she's got merch, and if you like, you can go to her YouTube channel and check it out. Check it out, and too, subscribe to her if you're not already a subscribed. She's very awesome. But anyways, I shall see you in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.